Emily, and we're making
chicken nuggets!
To create this simple recipe for chicken nuggets, you may find that you already have the ingredients on hand. Before you begin, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly. We are using 1 egg, low-fat milk, cornflakes, Italian seasoning, boneless skinless chicken breast, fat-free dressing for dipping sauce, and non-stick cooking spray. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut your chicken into nugget-sized pieces and wash your hands after. Make sure to whisk your egg and milk together using a whisk or fork. Place cornflakes and spices in a bag. We use Italian seasoning, but you can use other spices. Crush the cornflakes finely. Coat your baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray. Dip your chicken pieces in the egg and milk mixture and place 4 or 5 of them carefully in the bag. Once the bag is sealed, shake the chicken in the cornflake mixture to coat. Place coated chicken on baking sheets. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can measure the internal temperature by placing a meat thermometer in the thickest part of one of the nuggets. Finally, serve with a dipping sauce of your choice, like ketchup, honey mustard, ranch, or barbecue sauce.